How to unlock your debit card on Bank of America app. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your Bank of America application from your device. Here, type in your user ID and password and tap on Login. Once you're logged into your bank account, you will see a menu icon. Tap onto it. Under Bank of America, you will also see Manage Debit Card option. Open that. And here tap on Unlock. From here, select the way of your verification, either if it's text message or phone call. If you have selected text message, enter your authorization code. Once you do so, tap on to continue on your bottom right. And that way, your card is unlocked and ready to use. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below. We will catch you up in our next upload.